Assalamu alaikum everyone. This presentation is developed by Suminder Pratapa. It is part of Research Data Analysis course. This presentation is about how to run the Diamond software. With this software, you will be able to visualize crystal structures and their calculated diffraction patterns. Selamat belajar. Let's start on how to open Diamond. This is the window when you are opening the Diamond software. Select a CIF file to start. To be short, when this window is opening, just click on Next, 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 and finish. The structure of the selected crystal is now visualized. In this case, the visualized crystal is magnesium oxide. Gray balls represent magnesium atom and red balls are oxygen. By default, Diamond will open such picture every time you open a CIF file. See the selected picture option on the left pane. Quite many things you can do using the software. Presenting crystal data. For example, if you click on the data sheet on the left pane, you see the following. These are the crystallographic data of magnesium oxide from the selected CIF data. The mineral name, the chemical formula, the space group and cell parameters, the positions of the atoms in the crystal cell. The next function is to see crystal structure from different directions. Now, click on Picture on the left pane, and then click along XY axis on the bottom right pane. Click and hold on this atom. You are now able to see the crystal from different directions. You may also measure distance between two atoms by clicking the Measure Distance menu on the bottom pane. Click two atoms to know the distance between. You may change how the visualization look like. The layout of the visualization can be changed by clicking Picture menu, and then Layout. Select Background tab and choose the background color as you want. Select this color and then press the Apply Now button. The next function is to see crystal structure from different crystal direction. The background has now been changed again. Now, from Picture menu, choose Viewing Directions. Fill the HKL boxes with 100 and then click on Set to see the crystal from 100 direction. Now fill the HKL boxes with 110 and then click on Set to see the crystal from 110 direction. The crystal is now seen from 111 direction. Now, close the viewing direction box and rotate the crystal similar to this. We are going to make crystal planes. To make a crystal plane, click on Objects menu, select Planes, and then Crystal Lattice Plane. Fill the HKL boxes with 110 and the distance from origin with 0, and then click OK. You'll see the 100 plane in light green color. Rotate slightly and you'll see the plane clearer. You may add the plane by opening the Add Lattice Plane menu and increase the distance from origin to 1, then click OK. You'll now see the second plane. You should now know how to add other planes. We are now going to visualize the calculated diffraction pattern of this crystal. Click on the Powder Pattern menu on the left pane. An important function of Diamond is to present the calculated diffraction pattern of a crystal. You now see the calculated diffraction pattern of magnesium oxide crystal. You may change the radiation wavelength through the drop button menu. You are also given the peak position and intensity for each crystal direction. That's all for now. Have a great time working with Diamond software. Work from home in Surabaya, March 25, 2020. Goodbye. Wassalamualaikum.